Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Good morning, all of you. Welcome to all. Take a word, make a sentence website once again. Which what I can take today? Yes, it's a pond. Means small pond. And keep uh, watching right side. Some duck are catching fish and eating with enjoy. Those are medium, not big, not small. Those are medium duck and have a look at that place. Those are big duck and one male duck and four female duck and they are fighting with each others because they are catching fish. That's why sometimes they are doing quarrel. It's a very bad for them, but they didn't understand what we are doing. And keep watching. Those are really big. They will give us egg within short time, inshallah. And those are watching my videos, please write down how is looking this duck and pond and bamboo. Look over there. Bamboo. I will showing you bamboo. A lot of bamboo. Look over there. Keep watching. I told you those are big duck. They will give us egg within short time, inshallah. And I have to explain, and I have to know how to speak English and how to describe. As you know, I'm an English learner. That's why I'm making videos every single day, and everything is a learning purpose. And I have to speak and I have to learn. That's why I'm making videos. Keep watching. Those are really a big swan, and everything is fine. I have to finish here. They are taking shower with enjoy, and he got scared. That's why suddenly running this duck. And have a look. They has come a dry place. Maybe they got cold. That's why they has come a dry place, and several type of color are dark, and one is white color. It's a very beautiful looking. I have to finish here. Please pray for me. And how is my duck? How is looking my duck? Please write down something. See you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.